Welcome to the course on Windows programming with Ironpython. During the course, we will focus on learning Ironpython programming language and explore .NET framework to develop Windows Forms application. The course will focus on Python language, .NET framework support, and also Python tools available for Ironpython application development. This course is divided into 4 modules and introduces concepts necessary for Windows Forms programming and design applications in Ironpython with Windows GUI support. For this course, we will be using Sharp Develop, which has an integrated Windows Forms designer, where we can design the interface of the forms. We will be using version 4.4, which supports .NET Framework version up to 4.5.1. We will also explore the Python tools in Visual Studio community to work with Windows Forms, and Visual Studio Code for developing and testing Ironpython scripts. Now there are some positive features and some negative aspects of all the 3 IDEs. Visual Studio Code has good IntelliSense support for Python language, but not for .NET Framework classes. Visual Studio community is also having issues with IntelliSense and debugging support for Ironpython projects. Here we see that only advantage to use Sharp Develop is we get a Windows Forms Designer module to design the interface of the forms. By using the positive features of all the 3 IDEs, we can easily develop Windows Forms application in Ironpython.